Top 25 Site Engineer Interview Questions and Answers. A site engineer plays a critical role in the successful execution of construction projects by overseeing site operations, coordinating teams, ensuring quality standards, and maintaining project schedules. Employers look for candidates who possess strong technical knowledge, problem-solving abilities, leadership skills, and a thorough understanding of construction processes. Preparing for common site engineer interview questions can help candidates confidently demonstrate their expertise and practical experience. The following guide presents 25 frequently asked site engineer interview questions along with detailed answers to help job seekers prepare effectively for their next interview. 1. What are the primary responsibilities of a site engineer? A site engineer is responsible for supervising construction activities, ensuring work is completed according to project specifications, drawings, and safety standards. They coordinate with contractors, architects, and project managers to maintain smooth operations on site. Site engineers monitor quality, manage resources, prepare reports, solve technical issues, and ensure project deadlines are met. They also conduct inspections, verify measurements, and ensure compliance with regulations. Their role is essential in maintaining project efficiency, quality, and safety throughout the construction process. 2. How do you ensure construction work follows project drawings and specifications? I ensure compliance by thoroughly reviewing drawings, specifications, and project requirements before work begins. Regular site inspections help verify that construction activities align with approved plans. I communicate requirements clearly to contractors and workers, conduct measurements, and compare completed work against design documents. Any discrepancies are addressed immediately through corrective actions. Maintaining detailed records, checklists, and quality control procedures also helps ensure that all construction activities meet the required standards and project expectations. 3. What steps do you take to maintain site safety? Site safety begins with identifying potential hazards and implementing preventative measures. I conduct regular safety inspections, ensure workers use personal protective equipment, and provide safety training sessions. Clear signage, emergency procedures, and compliance with safety regulations are enforced throughout the project. I encourage workers to report unsafe conditions and immediately address any identified risks. Regular toolbox talks and monitoring site activities help create a safe working environment while minimizing accidents and maintaining productivity. 4. How do you handle conflicts between workers on site? When conflicts arise, I first listen to all parties involved to understand the root cause. I remain neutral and focus on finding a practical solution that benefits the project and maintains team harmony. Open communication is encouraged to resolve misunderstandings professionally. If necessary, I involve supervisors or management for further support. By addressing issues quickly and fairly, I prevent conflicts from affecting productivity, morale, or project progress while maintaining a positive and collaborative work environment. 5. What is quality control in construction? Quality control refers to the process of ensuring construction work meets specified standards, regulations, and project requirements. It involves inspections, testing materials, reviewing workmanship, and verifying compliance with approved drawings and specifications. I implement quality control by conducting regular checks, documenting results, and correcting deficiencies immediately. Effective quality control reduces rework, improves client satisfaction, and ensures the finished structure performs safely and efficiently throughout its intended lifespan. 6. How do you manage project deadlines? Managing deadlines requires careful planning, scheduling, and monitoring of project activities. I develop detailed work plans, allocate resources effectively, and track progress regularly. Identifying potential delays early allows corrective measures to be implemented before issues escalate. Communication with contractors and stakeholders ensures everyone remains aligned with project goals. By maintaining realistic schedules, monitoring productivity, and resolving obstacles quickly, I help ensure project milestones and final completion dates are achieved successfully. 7. What experience do you have with construction materials? I have experience working with various construction materials, including concrete, steel, bricks, aggregates, asphalt, and reinforcement materials. Understanding material properties, strengths, applications, and limitations helps ensure proper selection and usage. I verify material quality through inspections and testing procedures before use on site. Knowledge of storage requirements, handling methods, and compliance standards also helps maintain material integrity and supports the successful completion of construction projects according to design specifications. 8. How do you perform site inspections? Site inspections involve reviewing construction activities to ensure compliance with drawings, specifications, quality standards, and safety regulations. I use checklists to systematically assess work areas, identify issues, and verify progress. Measurements, visual inspections, and testing procedures help evaluate construction quality. Findings are documented and communicated to relevant teams for corrective action if necessary. Regular inspections help maintain project standards, prevent costly errors, and ensure continuous improvement throughout the construction process. 9. What is your approach to solving technical problems on site? I approach technical problems by first identifying the root cause through observation, analysis, and consultation with relevant team members. After evaluating available options, I select the most practical and cost-effective solution while ensuring compliance with project requirements. Collaboration with engineers, contractors, and consultants often provides valuable insights. Once implemented, I monitor results to ensure effectiveness. This structured problem-solving approach minimizes delays and helps maintain project quality and productivity. 10. How do you manage subcontractors? Managing subcontractors involves clear communication, proper planning, and continuous supervision. I ensure subcontractors understand project requirements, schedules, safety regulations, and quality expectations. Regular meetings help track progress and address concerns promptly. Performance is monitored through inspections and progress reports. Any issues are resolved professionally to maintain productivity and project alignment. Effective subcontractor management contributes significantly to meeting deadlines, maintaining quality standards, and ensuring smooth project execution. 11. Why is surveying important in construction? Surveying is essential because it ensures structures are built in the correct location, alignment, and elevation according to design specifications. Accurate surveying helps establish boundaries, determine levels, and prevent construction errors. It provides critical information for planning, design, and execution. Regular survey checks throughout the project help verify dimensions and positioning. Proper surveying reduces costly rework, improves accuracy, and ensures the successful completion of construction projects. 12. How do you ensure effective communication on site? Effective communication involves providing clear instructions, conducting regular meetings, and maintaining open channels between all stakeholders. I encourage feedback and ensure important information is shared promptly. Daily briefings, progress reports, and coordination meetings help keep everyone informed. Using communication tools and documentation also reduces misunderstandings. Strong communication improves teamwork, enhances productivity, resolves issues efficiently, and ensures project objectives are achieved without unnecessary delays or conflicts. 13. What is a method statement? A method statement is a document that outlines the procedures, resources, safety measures, and sequence of activities required to complete a specific construction task. It provides workers with clear guidance on how work should be performed safely and efficiently. Method statements help identify risks, define responsibilities, and ensure compliance with project requirements. They are valuable tools for maintaining quality, safety, and consistency across construction activities while minimizing operational risks. 14. How do you deal with unexpected site delays? When unexpected delays occur, I assess the cause and evaluate its impact on project schedules. I then develop mitigation strategies, such as reallocating resources, adjusting work sequences, or increasing manpower where appropriate. Communication with stakeholders ensures transparency regarding schedule changes. Continuous monitoring helps track recovery progress. Proactive planning and prompt decision-making minimize disruptions and help maintain project objectives despite unforeseen challenges. 15. What software tools have you used in construction projects? I have experience using software such as AutoCAD, Microsoft Project, Primavera P6, Excel, and various project management platforms. These tools assist with design interpretation, scheduling, cost tracking, reporting, and resource management. AutoCAD helps review drawings, while scheduling software supports project planning and monitoring. Spreadsheet tools aid in data analysis and reporting. Effective use of construction software improves efficiency, accuracy, communication, and overall project management performance. 16. What is the importance of concrete curing? Concrete curing is essential for achieving the required strength, durability, and performance of concrete structures. Proper curing maintains adequate moisture and temperature conditions, allowing hydration to continue effectively. Insufficient curing can lead to cracking, reduced strength, and durability issues. I ensure curing procedures are followed according to specifications by monitoring water application, curing compounds, or protective coverings. Effective curing contributes significantly to long-term structural integrity and quality. 17. How do you monitor construction progress? I monitor progress through regular site inspections, progress reports, milestone tracking, and schedule comparisons. Daily observations help verify completed work and identify potential issues. I compare actual progress against planned schedules to assess performance. Meetings with contractors and project teams provide additional updates and insights. Accurate monitoring enables timely decision-making, resource adjustments, and corrective actions that keep projects on track and aligned with objectives. 18. What would you do if you discovered poor workmanship? If poor workmanship is identified, I immediately inspect the issue and document findings. The affected work is reviewed against project specifications and quality standards. I communicate concerns to the responsible contractor and implement corrective actions. Additional supervision and inspections may be required to prevent recurrence. Addressing poor workmanship promptly helps maintain project quality, prevent future defects, reduce rework costs, and ensure client satisfaction. 19. How do you manage construction documentation? Construction documentation is managed through organized record-keeping systems that include drawings, reports, inspection records, permits, and correspondence. I ensure documents are updated regularly and stored securely for easy access. Version control helps prevent errors caused by outdated information. Accurate documentation supports communication, compliance, quality assurance, and project tracking. Maintaining detailed records also provides valuable references for audits, claims, and future project activities. 20. What is a risk assessment in construction? A risk assessment is the process of identifying potential hazards, evaluating their impact, and implementing measures to reduce risks. It helps prevent accidents, delays, and financial losses. I conduct risk assessments by analyzing work activities, identifying hazards, determining risk levels, and developing control measures. Regular reviews ensure risks remain effectively managed. Risk assessments are critical for maintaining safety, protecting resources, and supporting successful project outcomes. 21. How do you ensure compliance with building codes and regulations? I ensure compliance by thoroughly understanding applicable building codes, standards, and project requirements. Regular inspections, documentation reviews, and coordination with regulatory authorities help verify compliance throughout construction. Any non-conformities are addressed immediately through corrective actions. Staying updated on regulatory changes and ensuring workers understand requirements further supports compliance. Following regulations helps maintain safety, quality, and legal accountability while avoiding costly penalties and project delays. 22. What are the key qualities of a successful site engineer? A successful site engineer possesses strong technical knowledge, leadership abilities, communication skills, and problem-solving capabilities. Attention to detail, time management, adaptability, and decision-making skills are equally important. They must effectively coordinate teams, manage resources, and ensure compliance with safety and quality standards. A proactive approach, commitment to continuous learning, and the ability to work under pressure contribute significantly to successful project execution and career growth. 23. How do you handle multiple tasks simultaneously? I prioritize tasks based on urgency, project impact, and deadlines. Effective planning, scheduling, and delegation help manage multiple responsibilities efficiently. I maintain organized records, use project management tools, and regularly review priorities to stay focused. Clear communication with team members ensures tasks are coordinated effectively. By managing time efficiently and remaining adaptable, I can handle multiple activities without compromising quality, safety, or project performance. 24. Describe a challenging project situation and how you handled it. During a project, unexpected material shortages threatened the construction schedule. I quickly assessed inventory levels, communicated with suppliers, and identified alternative sources. Work sequences were adjusted to focus on activities not affected by the shortage. Continuous coordination with stakeholders minimized disruptions and maintained productivity. Through proactive planning and effective communication, the project remained on schedule and achieved its objectives despite the challenge. 25. Why should we hire you as a site engineer? You should hire me because I combine technical expertise with practical site management experience. I have a strong understanding of construction processes, safety standards, quality control, and project coordination. My ability to solve problems, communicate effectively, and manage teams contributes to successful project outcomes. I am committed to continuous improvement, meeting deadlines, and delivering high-quality work. My dedication and professional approach make me a valuable asset to any construction project. Preparing for site engineer interviews requires a solid understanding of construction principles, project management practices, safety regulations, and technical problem-solving skills. Employers seek candidates who can effectively supervise site operations, maintain quality standards, manage teams, and ensure projects are completed on time and within budget. Reviewing these 25 site engineer interview questions and answers can help candidates strengthen their knowledge, improve their confidence, and present themselves professionally during interviews. Thorough preparation, practical examples, and clear communication will significantly increase the chances of securing a successful site engineer position.